Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Delaware until 4:30 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Radnor, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Locations impacted include Ashley. In addition, Radnor, Delaware State Park, Leonardsburg, and Kilbourne are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.